Yeah, two of them. Two Koaloha KSM-01 pineapple ukuleles. Uh, yeah. This one is actually mine. This was actually a gift to me. I've had a lot of ukuleles gave to me that I just dearly, dearly cherish. But I tell you, this Koaloha right here has really been tearing me up. And I've had it for over 2 weeks now. And I still just can't get over it. Anyways, got a second one in. All right, this one's actually not mine. I've done a tuner upgrade on mine and was actually able to swap the Koaloha tuner buttons over onto the Durjun tuners and install Durjun planetary tuners into mine. And the owner of this one actually I love the look and the upgrade of the planetary tuners, and so I done that conversion on theirs, as well as cleaned up the fretboard and everything real good, restored the fretboard as I like to call it. Actually sanded off the plate and polish and stuff, very lightly, and cleaned the frets up and everything, and polished those up. But look how beautiful the koa is on this. I mean, it's just absolutely stunning. And the sides and back, look at the stripes and the color. I mean, it's almost candy cane-ish. It's just beautiful. And lots of sheen. Just absolutely stunning ukulele. The fretboard on this one is koa, okay? Some very dark, beautiful koa. First I thought it was rosewood. Got a lot of flaming and all in it. I'm not sure if it'll really show up on the video, but just an absolutely stunning ukulele. The tuner buttons on this one are a good bit darker than the tuning buttons on mine. And actually, I had to modify the tuner buttons, the stock Koaloha tuner buttons. I had to modify these and actually drill the hole a little bit deeper to get them to fit onto the Durjun tuners properly. But I did not have to do that on these Koaloha tuners. These buttons just slid right on, bolted right up with absolutely no modification. The shaft hole was the same depth on these as the stock buttons. I don't know if there were certain buttons that just didn't have quite as deep of a hole in them or what on the Koaloha buttons. But like I said, I didn't have to do any modification on these. On those, I just had to drill it out just a little bit to get them to work. But so impressed with these little ukuleles. I mean, really, really impressed. And I mean, I really do have some amazing ukes. I mean, no ways around it. Okay, I've been shown just all kind of charity and been gifted. I mean, truly, truly, truly amazing ukuleles. And I mean, these things compare. Oh, I mean, a whole lot better than I even want to admit on some of these ukes. They're so loud, so resonant. I mean, just amazing. Just for a little comparison here, I can tell a little bit difference in these. They're both strung up with UkeSA strings, and I mean, they're very similar, but I can still tell differences in them. So stunning. Way up the fretboard, they sound really good. Lots of tone and sustain. I guess that's plenty long enough for a sound sample. I'm going to try to play a couple of songs on these. I just wanted to noodle a little bit on them. Thank you for listening.